Hello everyone. So wow, what a crazy day. As said, once 16800 is taken out, the speed will be very fast of the fall, and today exactly is that what happened. Like I was not expecting it to happen today itself, but it happened because, as I said, market we can't say when it will gap down or gap up, but when it does, and the if you can trade in the direction of the trend, it's always good. So since last so many days, the trend line on the top over here has worked really well. All the tops over here are on one sloping line, which has worked really well. The same in the RSI, it's all on one sloping line, and it's now today been broken 40, gone below. So overall, the setup is still weak, very weak. We have finished this M formation over here. If you see this, it's a double top kind of formation, and we have broken down below this also. So now the targets for this M also open up, which are around 15,900, 15,800, and which has been a weekly target since a good time. We have been talking about that target. Uh, Today in the morning I had come up with a market update. The only reason was that we had already fallen and I was expecting an intraday bounce before we fall further. So that is exactly what happened. We made this 15 minutes. This is where we were when we were trading. I'll just show you the chart. So this is where we were when we were trading in the day, and then we had this cover up over here. And after 11:45, the 1 hour low was taken out. As we said that if 1 hour low is taken out, please sell again. So that is what happened. Later in the day, the 1 hour low got taken out over here, and then we fell more almost 250, 300 points on Nifty. So Nifty was completely weak and was like smashed today. And on weekly charts also, if we see weekly charts, is not the right time to see because week is still not over, but still we are now headed towards that 15,900 target. If you see the highs of these candles over here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the highs are around 15,900, 15,950 zone. So now that's our next target, and the red line is also almost coming there, so that will be our next target for the time being. Market setup is weak. I don't know even if we drift further, it is possible because of the other scenarios which are kicking in. But currently, 15,900 should be a target for this fall. And on for tomorrow, I think if we gap down, if we gap down directly to the 15,800, 15,900 low, we may have to wait again for some time. If we just open flat and take out the low, we'll get a selling opportunity. And on the top upside also, if we gap up and take out the high, then only there could we could try to fill up the gap. The chances are with the war scenario and all, we may gap down, and we may have to wait for some time to take the trade. First 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever suits your trading style is great. We're coming to a trend change date very soon. Around 4th of March is a trend change date, but before 4th of March we can even fall further. So we don't know if it stops at 15,800 or we go down to lower levels of for the next support levels, which are around 14,200 or something like that. There's one support at 15,300, 15,200. So we don't know if we fall further till 4th of March, so we have to wait and watch. If we do, we'll have a trend reversal date there. On trend reversal date doesn't mean that we are going to start moving upside from the next day itself. We have to give market 2 days of time to understand where it wants to head, and then we can decide that. But currently we have to trade with the trend, and trend is down. So our view is bearish as of now. We'll get bullish now only after 15, 17. I think this line must have come down to 17,250 or so. Once 17,250 is taken out, probably we'll be going long. That too on closing basis. Till then, we'll avoid and trade carefully. Like this is high volatility time. Oh, there is another VIX index that we can watch into. So India VIX is also given a breakout today. So VIX is a volatility index. Now what happens is when this index goes up, market kind of crash very fast. The premium. So if we just go to a more bigger time frame, we'll be able to see a larger period. So during this is the crash when we had in 2000, like the COVID crash. So as soon as the VIX, the volatility started spiking up, the crash started accelerating. So similarly, it has now given a breakout. So now if the volatility starts accelerating over here, the crash starts accelerating and the market starts panicking very fast. So volatility index is very important. It has a breakout here. We'll have one more resistance around 40 zone. If that also moves up, if we go above 40, the market will crash very fast. So hold your guns tight. You'll get a better opportunity to buy, and wait for the right time to buy. Uh, Hope all these videos are helping you all to trade and invest in the market. Positionally, we are still short. Intraday traders, we have given you the levels, and please trade as per the levels. Thank you for watching this video. Please spread the word and keep sending the videos to your friends and family. Thank you.